Here are three pieces of ancient Kauri that have carved into very much a Kiwi or New Zealand theme. There's this one, and that one. This one here is all about rebirth, new beginnings. This one here is the goddess of fire, Mahuwika. And this one here, once again, it's all about new beginnings. It's got leaves, it's got the Kauri, which is beginning of new life. Anyway, there's a closer look at Mahuwika. I started this piece because of all the burnt black pieces on top there. It had been through a fire, and so that sort of led down into the hair, and then it was to do the face. She looks very peaceful. And then this one, all slabs, all carved from ancient Kauri. Cool. Oh well, hope you have a good day. Catch you later. Bye bye.